Gate just about ready to step in.
Nagtatrabaho rin yung mga coach, ano? Si Freddie Roach, pang-apat na laban na ito.
Ito, diretso ito, hanggang dulo, no?
Sabi nga niya, yung mga boxer lang ang papulit, siya may iwan sa ring.
Sige, kayo, tapos lalabas. Siya may iwan dyan.
Look how bad yung buko niya. One way or another, it's gonna pop. And that's gonna be so...
That's scary. That's scary, actually.
Masakit ang ulo na to after the fight, no?
Oh, man. Look how big that is.
And the advantage for Goris there is that he has a target. He's going there. He's going there.
Super laki na yung bukol sa, ano, no? Sa right forehead, the right part of the forehead.
He looked like he engaged in a train wreck, you know?
And Z is just really going for it.
Yep,
And he's boxing so beautifully. I mean...
At you can see he's, marami siyang lakas, no? Hindi siya nauubusan ng lakas. Well-conditioned habang si Ortiz naman mukhang napapagod na at muntik nang umagsak pero dahil matapang ayaw magpatumba.
Sooner or later talaga. He's gonna go down.
You think so, huh?
Yeah, ang daming tama na eh. Your brain can only take so much, your body can only take so much.
Si Z parang fresh na fresh pa rin para sa laban na ito. 12 rounds for the IBF Intercontinental belt.
I think that, Manito, what we are learning, those who are trying to learn this sport, how valuable the jab and the straight is. A lot of the fighters tend to go for the big punch most of the time. But what you will like about Z Goris, when he is in his element, that straight and his jab are so much a joy to watch.
And you know what, you can really notice now, si Eric Ortiz, he's slowing down so much.
Absolutely.
Backing up, no? Umaatras siya habang si Z naman.
And yung roughhouse tactic na wala na, diba?
Absolutely, yes, you're correct.
I like yung footwork ni Z. Always on his toes, really light.
Right now,
looking intently at the boxer.
Yeah, right now he's becoming the nightmare. Talaga.
Hindi na siya dream.
For Eric Ortiz.
Also a note, no, for the first time in a long time, mga Pinoys are using Everlast boxing gloves at hindi yung Cleto Reyes. Sabi ni Freddie Roach sa akin, there's a new type of Everlast. And Z is going for the kill, catching Ortiz in the ropes, spinning Ortiz to the ropes rather.
I think they're going to check that injury on the head.
And if they stop it, that's it.
Okay, nakatakot actually.
Okay, there's the...
Because they're afraid that...
it's over! It's over! It's over! It's over! It's over for the Philippines!
And the Philippines! And the Philippines has won the World Cup! Yes!
Officially, mga kababayan, napanalunan na ng Pilipinas ang World Cup mula sa Mexico. We have won 4 out of the 6 bouts. And we are now the champions of the World Cup. And we hope to defend the title in the Philippines.
And with Mr. Oscar De La Hoya himself going to the Philippines.
Wow.
Big stoppage. It was just a matter of time. Either he was a matter of Ortiz was falling.
And look at his cut even.
Yep, the captain sa kabila naman.
Okay, fantastic performance for Zito Dream Goris at nagsasaya na ngayon ang mga Pilipino sa ring dahil sa pagkapanalo ni Z Goris at dahil doon, tayo na ngayon ang champion ng World Cup, mga